How do we create the highest level of value for you? Is it by working together as two separate companies, order to order, or is it by aligning our ways of working that brings out the best in all of us? At Mekoprint, we believe in highly integrated, long-term partnerships. This is why our motto is creating together, based on three equally important parts. First of all, we are extremely curious and ambitious on behalf of your needs. With this in mind, we challenge ourselves to explore alternative opportunities and engineer the best possible solutions for your business. Secondly, we dedicate a fully empowered team of specialists that are able to make decisions on their own and adapt immediately to your changing needs. And thirdly, we dedicate resources for long-term investments in our partnership with you, developing unique production and digital information flows that are optimized to your products and processes, so we spend less time on administration and more time looking ahead. Our goal is very clear: to make it easier for you to develop your business with Mekoprint by creating together.